Hey guys, looking for a free and easy VPN to browse safely, unblock sites or stay anonymous? In this video, we are talking about the VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, one of the most downloaded VPNs on mobile. So guys, it's not available on Windows yet, soon it's going to be, as you can see, but for now you can only use it on the phone, and it has a subscription method. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, then tap install. So this is going to be our link. For example, if you're on Android, tap install, then open the app. On the first launch, the app may request permission to set up a VPN profile. Tap allow or OK. This lets the VPN route your internet traffic securely. Once inside the app, just tap the big power button in the center. It automatically connects you to the fastest VPN server available. As you can see, this is our button. You can also change, of course, the location of the server. You'll have, as you can see, the auto mode, or you can press on this button right over here where it says fastest location, and you will have the list of the available VPNs, as you can see, that you can easily use. And that's how you use the VPN. Very easy and super straightforward. If you enjoyed the video, guys, tap like on it, subscribe to the channel, of course, for more such tutorials, and we will see you very soon in the next one.